Hello traders and welcome to my channel. So as promised, we'll be looking at our last week results and our next week analysis. So here we have US dollars Japanese yen, the trade we took last week and which was unfortunately a losing trade. So the reason I took this trade, as you can see, we had a valid double bottom here, which according to me was a valid long entry. But unfortunately, market didn't cooperate with our analysis and ends up moving downwards, breaking below this support level. As you can see, we had a strong support here. If you look in the past, we had resistance, valid support. We had resistance here, support here. So according to that, that was a valid entry, and which is also my favorite way to enter the market. So we had a valid double bottom here, as you can see. So that was unfortunately a losing trade. So next up, we have Euro Australian dollar. In this pair, I was looking for the trend continuation and I was hoping for the market to hit this level, this green level zone, which is our major level of support. But unfortunately, market goes against us and we ended up losing this trade. So next up, we have this pair, New Zealand Canadian dollar. This was a winning trade. I also sent in the group, guys. The reason it was a winning trade, as you can see, we entered here, plus we had a fundamental news coming up which had a big effect on this trade as well. So combining both factors, the fundamental and technical analysis, signaling us that the market is more likely to go up. Plus we also had a fundamental news on this day, so I was keeping an eye on this trade throughout the times. So we took this trade and it ended up giving us 46 pips. The last, I'm not going to go through all the trades we had last week, so I just want to show you how I take trades in the market. So this one was the last trade we took this week. I hope you guys made some profit out of it. As you can see, I have my resistance and support marked here already, just to make sure that I'm not taking a wrong entry, so that I'll be ready to enter the market once the condition meets. So here you can see we have a nice inverted hammer where we entered this trade, and as you can see, the market goes in our favor and we ended up making 57 pips out of it. So the reason I'm showing you this, just for the educational purpose, and also to show you that I take this trade after backtesting, after a rigorous amount of backtesting, after testing all my strategies, which has proven to be profitable for me, at least over the period of time. So if you are entering a market and taking these trades, so just to give you an idea how I take the trade, and if you are following us another signal provider, just to show you how this support and resistance work for me, and most of the signal provider, they might use it, so that you guys have some of the idea how to enter the market. So just to show you, I have back tested these pairs before. I send these signals in the groups. A lot of hard work behind these signals I send in the group. So these are the back tested results I'm going to show you now. So I've done all this back testing. As you can see, this is only a one pair, GBP USD. Also, just to show you, like I said, every trade is not a winning trade. We can have a streak of losing trade, as you can see here. We show an example here. We have one trade, two, three losing trade in a row, one winner, and then there's a fourth losing again. This sort of scenario in the trading most of the time, I can say. You have here loser. So we can have a winning streak as well, as you can see, 3, 4, 5 winning trades, and then we have a losing trade. So this is how the market works, guys. So let me show you another pair. So this is another pair I have tested for the last, from 2018 till 2021. So as you can see, this is too much here, all my back tested data of the market. And just to show you a losing streak here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 losing trades in a row before we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 winning trades. Here, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losing trades. We have 3 winning trade here as well. So that is how the market works. I just urge you to do a proper risk management. Don't go all in. Your money is really important. Just respect your lot size, as I always say. Don't go blindly. Just don't put all your money on one trade. So follow the proper risk management. So for the next week, I have few pairs lined up. So let's see one of this pair. So here we have Euro Australian dollars. So this pair broke above the previous support level, previous resistance level here. Now just came all the way up to the latest resistance here. What I want to see some sort of selling pressure here, any sort of big red candle or a double top entry, any sort of double top entry, and then enter a trade all the way to the previous support, which is here. So here we have Euro Japanese yen. As you can see, the market goes up and broke above the previous resistance, then came back all the way down. So I'll be looking for the trend continuation from here. As you can see, the market is going to test this level again, which you can see has already did. So what I'm going to do next week, I'll be looking for a selling entry right here. So hoping for the market to trend down. So just to show you guys how I take the trade and what is the reason behind taking those trades, not to follow any trade blindly. So even if you're following any signal providers, make sure you are taking a right trade. I hope this video has given some value to you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I hope you have a nice weekend and I hope you trade green the rest of the week. Take care.